guys, my name is Camilo Mode. Welcome back to my channel, on Mama's channel. But today, we need to meet into the Grinch. If you guys want to keep watching, stay tuned, but subscribe to my mommy's YouTube. Thank you so much. Bye!
Or do you want to do your own makeup?
You can do it.
Why?
Cause you are the best makeup I ever seen. So you can do it.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Alright guys, so I'm not going to show myself because I look a little bit crazy, but I'm going to be turning her into the Grinch.
Yes.
Right? So we have a Friendsmas party coming up that you're not invited to because it's an adults only party. So I'm going to practice mommy's makeup on you. Deal?
Yeah.
Shake on it. Because you're going to go stay at Mimi's house.
Why?
While mom goes and has fun with everybody. But
Okay.
I'm going to practice on your makeup.
Okay.
Deal?
Yeah.
This is what I want to accomplish. This is just somebody I found on Instagram. I don't even have her name because I just saved it. But I want to do something like this for my Friendsmas party. So we're going to be practicing on you something like this so that mommy can do it on herself really good.
Can I see it then? What's the whiskers?
It's red lipstick.
Hey.
You got to do the face like that. Do it. Do what she's doing. Show them. Is that how we do it? Is that how she does it?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get it? You're not putting your hands in the right spot.
Oh.
Go do it.
Ready, set, go! I wish I could do this makeup all by myself for this. Okay, this is blush, this is lipstick, this is blush to go on my cheeks,
Mm-hmm.
and this is lipstick
Mm-hmm.
to do on my lips for some. And this is eyelashes
For mascara.
for mascara, and you can do that for some. Okay, Orange, let's go.
So I'm going to be doing part of this video in a little bit of a voiceover just because it was super hard to try to explain while also keeping her entertained. So I just took a nude lip liner and kind of just started to map out how I wanted the Grinch's face to be. Like I was doing halfway on, halfway off, as if she was half Grinch, half not. So I was adding a little bit of foundation just so I can kind of distinguish between the half on and half off Grinch.
I don't find so, but don't require this at home. I'm the one that makeup, and I don't have makeup actually. Mom do my makeup away.
Well, tell everybody why I threw your makeup away.
Cause I have makeup on my touch and whiskers on my rug.
Mm-hmm.
And she's mad at me for that. Know that.
I am mad at you. That's a brand new couch.
But not right now, cause it's the other day, but not this week. What? Nah.
Okay, so now I'm just going to go into a green face paint that I bought off of Amazon's like Flash palette. This palette is really good and it's super comparable to the Makeup Forever Flash palette. So I'm just putting this everywhere where we mapped out that half of her face that was going to be green.
Mom, I struck up. Mom, watch.
This paint is actually very blendable and very pigmented, so I'm just taking my time with a disposable sponge and just kind of placing it exactly where it's supposed to be. I later go on and set this with a green eyeshadow from the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette. You honestly don't need to because this dries down pretty good. Her eyes started to tear up throughout because of the lighting. And even though they were like watering, this paint was not budging at all. So for an Amazon purchase for like 20 bucks, it is well worth it. So I totally forgot to do this step before I applied the green face paint, but it's okay. Honestly, doesn't matter. I just took a glue stick to her eyebrows to really just stick the hairs down. And then I went ahead and I took a felt liner and I started to map out her Grinch eyebrows. And I love the fact that they're so black because it makes it look even more Grinchy.
This I show off camera is gonna be right back. It's in 2 seconds. That's my back. I have eyeshadow on. One step closer, be liquid.
Put your head back and you can see it. See it?
Yeah, I see that other eye.
So I did her eyeshadow off camera, but for this Grinch side eyeshadow, I just went ahead and used the same shimmer from the Jeffree Star palette that I used on the other eye on this eye, and that was all I applied for the eyeshadow. So I thought I could start mapping out everything with a dark brown, and I didn't like the way it was looking, so then I took the Jaclyn Hill Vault Dark Magic, I want to say it is. I think the shade is called Potion, and I started to kind of just cover the dark brown that I did. I have to go back and fix the nose because obviously the nose didn't turn out how I wanted to, so I kind of just went ahead and skipped over that because I was over it. And then I started taking this muddy dark green from this palette as well, and I used that to start my soft shading around the perimeter of her face. I'm going to go ahead and just be switching between that green and then the darker green, just back and forth in shading. This part of the tutorial is a little bit tedious just because you have to shade so much for the wrinkles. So I just went ahead and started on the outer perimeter of her face, and then you will see me going into the deep green to begin the wrinkles, and then I would go into more of that muddy green to just kind of shade out the wrinkles. Then I'll go back in to the green from the Jeffree Star palette, and I'll use that to kind of intensify the Grinch green on her face. I am honestly so proud of her and so surprised on how still she stayed for me to be able to do her makeup. This whole thing took us about an hour and a half, and she was living her best life. She really loved this whole thing. What do you think so far? Do you like it?
Yeah, I do like your channel.
You do like it?
Mm-hmm. The Catherine Hill palette, but not those palette.
This palette. Hold it up and show them.
Yay!
Cool. Okay. Okay, so I am giving her that little connection between the nose and the lip to kind of make her look even more Grinch-like. And I feel like once I did this and I added the little whiskers, it totally pulled the entire tutorial together. So I went ahead and I used that dark green just to kind of map out from the nose to the lips. And then I went ahead and I went into that same black eyeliner that I used for her eyebrows to place her little whiskers on her mouth area. I tried using a paint and it just didn't work out, so the black eyeliner was honestly the best. So I tried doing it softly so that you wouldn't be able to tell that it was actually super black. I went ahead and I placed some of that on her lips, and then I took a matte red lipstick just to give her that really Grinch-like mouth, and she was so excited about the red lipstick. It was literally the cutest thing in the world. So once I was done with her lips, I went ahead and I added some wrinkles on her chin and below her lip, since she will be holding her face as if it's like a mask or the Grinch is kind of taking over. So I went ahead and added those little wrinkles underneath her mouth to give her that effect. I also started to take a dark brown to map out the wrinkles around her non-Grinch side, just so it can look like the Grinch is kind of taking over. And I honestly was a little bit nervous. I feel like when I do this on myself, eventually it'll look a little bit better just because I did practice on her. But I feel like for my first time achieving this Grinch look, I did pretty good, and she was literally loving all of it. So the trick to the wrinkles is just really taking your time to shade it out. It's all about shading. It's not really about precision. It's more of just the shading effect of everything, which is super tedious, but it ends up looking so cute. I hope you guys enjoy this because it was literally so much fun filming together.
I had Christmas.
What do you think so far?
It's so good. And you like it, people? Yes. Okay. Yes or no? Yes? Thank you. Oh, I do like it.
You're a pretty Grinch, right?
Thank you.
All right, look at
Thank
me.
you, guys. Yay. Can I show you? Oh, Mommy put mascara on me and so pretty.
So pretty? So you think we did good?
Yes, you think you did it.
Wait, where are you going? You gotta sit down. You gotta say bye.
Oh, I hope you like this and to like and subscribe. You mind my mommy doing my face, and do you like it? Yes. Oh, I know. I have wonderful line bikes and with mommy, and I make my makeup. See you next time.
Did you have fun?
I did have fun.
You fell asleep in my chair.
I love it,